Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today let me show you this office cabinet that this brand sent to me for this video, which is called office cabinet, but you can put it anywhere. You can put it in the office, you can put it in the kitchen if you want, you can put it in the living room, you can put it in your own bedroom or something like this. You know, this is my office, and this is gonna be where I'm gonna keep all my bills or some of the other folders that I have and kind of like magazines and things that I wanna keep. Number one in within easy reach, like the bills, for example, but also to keep them organized, you know, because this is an organizational cabinet that you will have, like, again, anywhere. Size wise, this one, let me show you in a close-up. But as I was telling you before, you can see that this one is kind of like a little bit not too tall. It's about like 27 inches, but it's ideal to put like 2 or 3 together. You know, you can stack them one up in the other one, but you can put 2 or 3 like on side to each other, and that's gonna be a really nice way to keep everything organized. But it's 27 by 17 by 15. Everything is explained right here in the instruction manual and how to assemble. It's gonna take you about 25 minutes, no more than that. But there are a few things that I like. Number one, this right here, you can see that this one is locked and now it's unlocked. So that is really cool to have just one key for both actual drawers. So with that being said, let me actually just put it like this, and now it's locked, and now it's locked. As I was just telling you before, there was just like half a key that I did, kind of like just like rounded, not too much. And you can see that this one now it's unlocked back again. So one more time. Now when I put it like this, and now it's locked, and now it's fully unlocked. Another thing, you have this dividers right here that you can just put right here on the front or in the middle, or like right here on the back, or just like whenever you want on this kind of like sections right here. So if you want to put the bills or something like that, you have that for sure, just to keep them organized. The other thing, you have the labels right here. You can put labels so you know that this is for home and this is for your office. Like this is for your bill homes, or like home bills, and this is for your office or work bills. So I have to say that they're pretty deep. It is pretty kind of like big, I have to say, just judging by the size of the whole thing and the whole frame. These are deep drawers, and just having the chance to have them with the lock and just put in anything you want, I think that one is a big plus. Keep everything organized with this metal office cabinet.